Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products for your everyday life. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best family gift set for this season. The Burt's Bees Christmas Gifts, Essentials Everyday Set. Whether you're shopping for a skincare lover, a traveler, or someone who deserves a little pampering, this compact and thoughtful set has something for everyone. Let's start with what you actually get in this essentials set. It includes 5 travel-size skincare products, a deep cleansing cream, a hand salve, a milk and honey body lotion, a softening foot cream, and the iconic beeswax lip balm. These are not just random picks, they are carefully chosen essentials that cover face, hands, feet, and lips. It's the full body experience in a compact, giftable package. Each product is under 1 ounce, making them perfect for travel, stocking stuffers, or to keep in your purse or backpack. What really makes this set stand out are the natural ingredients and the effectiveness of each item. Starting with the deep cleansing cream, it's infused with chamomile, menthol, and soap bark. This blend helps clean the skin deeply, removing excess oil and makeup without leaving it dry. The hand salve is a must for dry, overworked hands. It uses botanical oils and beeswax to lock in moisture and soothe cracks. The milk and honey body lotion is lightweight, yet deeply hydrating, with milk proteins and honey that leave your skin feeling soft all day long. The softening foot cream is powered by coconut oil and glycerin, perfect for rough heels and tired feet. And finally, the beeswax lip balm, a cult favorite, gives 12 hours of hydration and a refreshing peppermint tingle. This isn't just a skincare set, it's a thoughtful gesture. It's ideal for anyone who deserves a moment of self-care. The presentation is neat, the size is convenient, and it's priced affordably. Plus, it's formulated without parabens, phthalate, petrolatum, or SLS. So you're gifting clean ingredients that are gentle on all skin types. It's great for both men and women, young or old. Whether it's for family, friends, teachers, or coworkers, this gift set says you care. One of the underrated aspects of this set is its portability. Going on a weekend getaway or a business trip, these travel-sized products will pass through airport security and still give you a full skincare routine wherever you go. The metal tin of the hand salve is durable, and the rest come in compact tubes. It's also perfect for daily carry, a mini spa kit that fits in your bag. So if you're looking for a skincare gift set that balances quality, affordability, and thoughtfulness, the Burt's Bees Essentials Everyday Set is a top contender. It's the best family gift set for a reason, practical, natural, and universally appreciated. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real reviews on products that matter. See you next time.